Okay, this is a very short video specifically to show how the Zotero is working. So first of all, Zotero is a free annotation, specifically the some reference annotations software. You can just go to the website and click on download and then download the versions you prefer. So you could have different versions like your Windows or Linux or connector, any of the version you can use. So first you just download it and then install it. Let me show it with the Windows system. So when you install it, how to run it. So for example, I open this. Now I have multiple references in here. So you can search it like this, PubMed ID, or you can search it by genuine ID. But for that, before everything begins, you have installed the Zotero, right? So let me open the Zotero first. And now you want to create a reference set. So demo reference set created. Now I want certain specific citation for this writing. So to do so, we go in here and you can see this is a specific icon. Search in here, put the entire publication name or ISBN ID or DOI, PMID, which is PubMed ID, or any other ID, any version that you have. So for example, we search it by this. So you can see it's been already added. So now if we want to add up this reference in here, so you go in here, there's a Zotero option. Select the style. There are multiple styles. So this is the paper. Just click in here, it's been added. Now you don't like this style, for example. You can change it from here, document preferences. So instead of this, you can select this. So you can see you have a different style. That's one way of seeing it. Now it depends on the journals you have and the demand you have for that. Now you want another reference, but that doesn't have, for example, PubMed ID. So you know the journal name or the publication name. For example, CXCL8. You won't get it. So let's go to the Scholar. For example, CXCL8. So this is the paper, for example. We just copy this title, add it up, can't find it. So we search it, not from here. Okay, it's not finding it. Let's try. I don't know. Let's try different. That's it. So it is asking is that rather than searching by that, you should be searching by the DOI numbers. So let's try with this DOI number. So we got this. So it's specifically on the DOI based. So now you want to add that one also. So you got this. We want to see which one is latest added to avoid confusion. So date added, this was the latest one. So this is the references we have from here. Now the question is that I don't want them to be separated like this. I want both of them together. So to do so, or to annotate two of them at a time, two citations, rather than like this. What you need to do in here is go to the citations, select both of them, select multiple sources, then add them. So you see both of them are, rather than a separated one, they have been added up as one specific area. Now, as I said earlier, mentioned earlier, for example, in one like nature style. So we add up like this, or whatever the style you prefer. Now the second question is that we want, okay, we have these references now. Now we want to add these references at the end of our writing. So what to do? To do so, you can add the bibliography, and when you change the style, see the style is also changed. So it's been automatically done, and there should not be any issue anywhere. This is a complete demonstration of how to use this. The Zotero for your publications, writing manuscript, submission, and everything. And it's synchronized and it's effective. I hope it helps.